Alien Power Cleaner is advertised in 2025 as a high-strength cleaning agent that supposedly eliminates mold, soot, nicotine stains, and grime effortlessly. No scrubbing, gloves, or harsh chemicals required. It's promoted as a next-level formula with 4 times the cleaning strength, meant to be diluted with water and sprayed on for fast results. But closer analysis and customer reports raise several concerns. The product doesn't provide a clear ingredient list or safety guidelines, and there's no independent testing or scientific backing to support its claims. Many promotional photos look artificially enhanced, and the marketing leans heavily on urgency tactics like limited time offers, countdowns, and exaggerated discounts. Reviews from users are inconsistent, with some noting long shipping times and unclear company policies when problems arise. Industry experts suggest being wary and opting for cleaners that list ingredients openly and are backed by verified safety data. Although Alien Power Cleaner isn't a complete scam, you'll probably receive it. It doesn't live up to its dramatic marketing. For tougher stains or mold issues, proven cleaning products or professional help remain more reliable and safe. This version aligns with YouTube's terms of service by offering a neutral, factual overview and avoiding unsupported statements or promotional bias.